So you've been asked to complete a domicile review for your Fantic grant application. To do this, remember we first must go to nvcc.edu, and here's how you find our webpage. Go to IMA, and you go to Continuing Education Student. If you have not done so already, please complete a new account. You would click here and fill out every section and continue to hit continue until this is finished. This should take about 5 or 10 minutes and there's no cost to you. If you know your student ID number, if you have been a student in the past, please put it here. If you do not know it, that is okay. You are able to skip through it to complete this. After it has been made, you can log in here. When you log in, it will look like this. You should click on all classes and find the class that you would like to take. I will choose healthcare and I will choose about pharmacy technician certification. I will click on it and then go to add to cart. Right. Upon doing this, I will be asked several questions. Now keep in mind the total cost right now is $19.50 for this class. If I complete everything and if I'm determined to be domiciled in Virginia, that cost will go down. Be sure to read all of this very closely and very carefully. There are important implications for the Fantic grant in this and what will be required. So read all of this and then you should fill it out. So I will do this right now. Be sure, of course, to read everything very carefully as you are signing this. You would then choose whose domicile it will be based on. This information can be found in here. And then we'll go through some questions. Alright, so I'm choosing Virginia ID. Of course, everything you should be very much honest about. Alright, I have clicked submit. Alright, at this point, so it still says $19.50 for tuition, but you would then click view cart, and it did determine that I was domiciled in Virginia. So the price went down to 1/3. At this point, you would then click clear your cart, and then you should contact Nova Workforce Answers at nvcc.edu or whoever showed you this process, and then they will guide you through the rest of the process.